Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find games mods folder in Steam. To do this, first we'll need to, let's actually right click on the RimWorld. I have some mods installed, so we're gonna right click, go to the settings, navigate to installed files and click on browse. Then your folder should pop up and we can move to the Steam apps and here find the workshop, content, and here there's a few folders with the numbers and you can click on each of them to find different mods. Now it's really hard to actually find the specific mod, so you can click on each of the folder to identify if it's a mod for that game. In this case, I actually don't know which game this is. I think that's the RimWorld, but I'm not sure. And that's basically how you find the mods for games for Steam Workshop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.